The Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo is set to return in summer 2026, marking 13 years since its original 2013 release. While official images have yet to surface, fans can likely expect the familiar red nubuck upper and black accents, though this version will utilize the updated Jordan 4 shape seen in the pine green SBs from 2023. The original pair featured Jumpman logos, but there's growing speculation that the 2026 edition could include OG Nike branding. The Toro Bravo name dates back to 2009, when Jordan Brand dropped a standout defining moments pack of Jordan 5s, one in all-black 3M, and another in bold red. The red version left a lasting impression, leading to later interpretations across other silhouettes like the Jordan 4 in 2013 and the Jordan 6 in 2023. With a rich history and high anticipation, the 2026 retro aims to reignite the energy of one of the brand's most beloved colorways,